So this is the kitchen area. And I like to put these inside the microwave. And the paper. My trash is down here. And I have a few dirty dishes. I need to put away the clean dishes. So this is my dishwasher. My husband put that in for me. It took him 7 hours. We removed a couple of drawers. It's actually a dishwasher that's supposed to sit on the counter, but I wanted it underneath out of the way. So that's where that sits. I'm going to put away my dishes. I like to do that so that when I arrive, all my clean dishes are put away to my next destination. And I'm ready to start the dishwasher with my next dishes once we pull in and settle into our new spot. I do like to have pretty much all dishes are able to go in the dishwasher and be washed. I'm not big on washing dishes. That's just my personal preference. I love my dishwasher and use it every day if I can. But that's me. So a little bit about my husband and myself. We started off in Bellevue, Nebraska, just south of Omaha. And that was in 2006. I knew 3 years earlier that I wanted to be a full-time RVer. I knew this because we would go out camping, and when other people would put their campers away in storage for summertime, we did not. And we used it all year round. We found ourselves in campgrounds with snow, and we'd be the only ones there. And then I realized I really didn't want to go home. I liked camping all the time. I was happier getting ready to go camping than I was going home. And then you had to move everything in the house, and then the next time we went, you had to gather everything out of the house, and that was a bummer. So I told my husband in, it would be 2003, that I wanted to be a full-time RVer. I told him that our 3 children were adults now. They'd all graduated from high school. They were all married and happy. And they didn't need us the way they needed us before. And I'm a person who likes to travel. I've liked to travel my whole life. But I didn't do so much while I was a mom. And I told him, I said, it's our turn. Our children are good. They're taken care of. They're having their own children. I didn't want to be parents who were hovering over them. And I felt that they were mature enough that they could be on their own. And we're only a phone call away. And if we had to, we're only a plane ride away. Because we weren't leaving America. We were traveling in America. So now I like to take what's left here on the kitchen counter and put it in my sink. closed. Take this down so it doesn't fall. And pretty much the kitchen is done. Once we get to our next destination, I'll go ahead and wash those. So, put a few more items away back here in the bedroom. And make sure these cabinets are closed. Put this blind so we don't have this noise. Okay, all closed. Okay, that side's done. Let's see, what else do I need to do? So as you can see, it's just a matter for me of starting in the back and moving my way forward. Excuse me for a sec, I put my watch on. Check my steps as I go throughout the day. This, by the way, is our cat. His name is Chester. He's a Norwegian Forest cat. He's about 17 years old, and he likes to lay, well, he's so furry, he likes to lay on the plain floor. It's cooler. All right. Now that it looks like I've got quite a bit put away, I'm going to work on my husband's area. He's got his desk area here. Put down the lamp. Move some other things out of the way. Great. Oh boy. Yep, stepped on the cat. Ah. Well, pull up the front window. And let's go ahead and move some items to the back.